Do you ever just scroll through Instagram and wonder, should I buy that? It's so cute. I really want to own that. I'm hungry.
I think that all the time. I know some of you all have privacy issues about AdSense and getting Instagram ads, but I actually love it when my Instagram can predict what I need or want. Since I'm such a big foodie, this is buying things from my Instagram ad food edition. I'm giving you background music so you don't have to. So to help me with the taste test of these 4 brands, I'm going to call upon my sister. Hi, I'm back. So the first thing that I kept seeing on my Instagram is Scoopski. It's basically edible cookie dough. Saw the ad and I went and purchased 2 of the flavors. And I would have bought more, but this is so freaking expensive. This came within 2 days of me ordering it, which is pretty cool. But they also charged me $100 delivery fee, which as a bargain budget shopper was so hard for me to pay. What is that? So the chocolate chip was for $300 because it's pretty basic, and I got Cookie Monster, which is for $400. Let's taste. I'm not sure. 5 boxes you get free delivery. Huh? That sucks. Yeah. So you have to pay $2,000 to get free delivery.
I don't know if I like it. I think it's a little too sugary. It looks like it's gonna be really bad to me.
I don't know if I like the taste. It tastes like one of those butter cookies that you get in the knitting needle boxes. This one box contains enough dough for 8 cookies.
I like this better.
I like this one better. Will I be buying it again? I don't think so. It's too freaking expensive and I'm too freaking broke. I'd rather just buy actual cookies.
And I don't think it's worth the money either. What would you rate it out of 10? 4.
I feel bad, but I'd rate the same. The chocolate chip one was pretty nice and I have been eating it every day. But this one is pretty terrible. And they said that you can also bake it into cookies and consume it. This was for $400 and I'd be damned if I don't consume every single drop.
Due to some technical issues, I had to bake my cookies in the cooker. They also said that you can mix it with milk and drink it. And I tried that out and it did not work. The cookies consistency turned out great, but it's gonna be a no for me.
Okay, so the next ad that I was bombarded with was House of Candy. So I bought marshmallows, chocolate coated almonds, and gummy bears.
I love House of Candy.
Packaging is really great as well. They even put one of those ice packs so that the gummy bears don't melt. And this was the first thing to arrive. I also used the code HOC15 to get 15% off. This is how the marshmallow looks like. I think it matches. And I love marshmallows. So good. I did eat this earlier. I couldn't control. The chocolate cover almonds. I love it so much.
A1. Highly recommend.
Gummy bear? How much would you rate House of Candy?
20 out of 10.
I would rate it 8 only because they charged me $50 for shipping and I could have just gone next door and bought House of Candy from the mall nearby. Gummy bears?
Matches.
I think we're gonna finish all the candy today.
I think we might. When you're not at home tonight, I'll eat it all.
I forbid you.
I don't accept your forgiveness.
But it's a pain having younger siblings.
I haven't even touched any of this stuff.
The next thing that I saw a lot of and I really wanted was Godesi. So basically this company produces a lot of Indian sa candies. It says that it is made in rural kitchens.
I love
So I was really happy to buy stuff from here. Also there was no delivery charge and it came the fastest. It came within 24 hours I think. And it was so cheap as well. I got a pack of 6 different candies and they're these tiny packets. So the entire box is filled with the packets just for $360 I think. Lemon chaat. And yeah, I did get into some of them. And jackfruit sticks, amla bites, mango sour candy.
There is so much stuff.
I know. And raw mango sour candy and Emily pop. There was no shipping. That makes me so happy. You'd rather include shipping in your MRP than charge it additionally, because think like the customers. They don't like paying shipping. I don't like paying shipping. I'm
I
very
don't pay
passionate about this.
This is going to be my favorite. It's like lemon.
It's gonna be my favorite because it has Emily in it. That's tamarind.
If you don't like sour stuff, you're not gonna like this at all. It's like soury, salty,
So sour. I love sour candy.
amla bites.
Ignore my face. It's really good, but it's sour. So
This sweet.
this package was like a sample of everything they sell, which is pretty great. I think that's what Scoopski should do. They should also start selling tiny little samples of everything, like maybe enough dough for one cookie, because they have a lot of flavors, but you can't try them all. It's so expensive. It tastes like medicine.
I don't know what this tastes like. It tastes like the Emily one only. I don't like the texture of these things.
Okay.
This is left.
Oh, jackfruit. Try it out. I like the lemon thing. I've tried it already. It's like a nice palate cleanser after eating a meal, I guess.
Oh no.
It's not nice, right? Oh, or is it good? It's jackfruit.
I actually like it.
It's
Oh my god!
It's kind of tough to understand because it tastes exactly like jackfruit, but
Yeah.
if you're expecting something sour, then it's probably not what you
I love this. This is my favorite. I love how initially my face was grossed out by it, but I actually really like it.
I didn't like it. I'd rather eat raw like real jackfruit.
Like when I close my eyes, it's like I'm in Kerala eating a jackfruit.
What do you rate this?
Like 7 or 8.
I rate the entire experience of ordering and what they gave as a 10, because the shipping was so quick. They didn't charge shipping. I just used a random referral code that I found online and got 15% off. And some flavors might not be for everyone, so I understand that. The last thing that I purchased in this trying out my Instagram ads was Dipsters. And I was surprised to know that it is sold by Snackables. I've already done a Snackables review before, so I'll link it at the end. Just watch it, it's super funny. Basically, Dipsters is this, it's a box of chocolate with like these biscuits to dip in the chocolate. I wanted to try a lot of flavors, so I bought this assorted box
It's all
of
chocolate.
12 Dipsters of different flavors. So I got 4 flavors: butterscotch, chocolate, cookies and cream, and caramel. Came pretty quick. It came within 2 working days and 4 days normal. They charged me 50 rupees for delivery. So if you're charging 50 rupees for food, you might as well deliver ASAP. Like all the other companies, they delivered it within 1 or 2 days. So Snackables, I guess that's something to work on. But I'm not disappointed. And these 12 boxes costed me 240 bucks. With discount and delivery fee, it was 278. I love getting assorted packs. I like getting a lot of things, a lot of different flavors in just one box, so I'm super pleased with that. Butterscotch, she's trying caramel.
I'm trying to open it.
Not opening. I opened it. This is how it looks.
Are you serious?
One is for 20 bucks. It looks like tiny little dog food.
It's really good. I love butterscotch. That tastes like this with like crunchy bits in it.
This is chocolate, and I'm going to be trying cookies and cream. I look a little fat in this video, but that's the shirt and we're sitting down. If we were standing, I wouldn't look this fat.
Jesus.
Insecurities.
Everything. Oh no, this tastes.
How does my hair look? Along with everything pink.
Oh, how does my hair look? I tried my hair started it.
This is, I don't like this that much.
I like this.
Do you like this?
It tastes like yin yang. You know? Whatever that was called. Every Everything tastes the
I love
exact
this.
same.
No, that tastes like something different. This tastes nice.
Just tastes like red velvet Oreo.
So how much would you rate them?
The
9. I would rate them a 7 because shipping was the longest out of all the other boxes. The shipping was pretty good, but compared to the other brands, it was late, so I have to take a point off. Also, 2 or 3 flavors taste kind of similar. I guess I'll give them an 8 because it's actually pretty good, pretty reasonable. And I think I would suggest for sure.
how much did it
So these are the rankings. Sorry, Scoopski. I guess reduce your price or don't charge shipping or give a sample.
I'm not sorry,
Oh.
Scoopski. That sucked.
Yeah. Okay. I'm never gonna get any sponsorships, I feel. But if I do get sponsorships, I'll still give 100% honest reviews. So if I like it, you know it.
Especially if I'm in the review. Then you definitely know.
Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed that video. There's so many more food items to try out and so many more Instagram stuff to buy, which I enjoy doing. I always buy my Instagram recommended stuff from ads. And I love supporting small local businesses or Indian businesses. So if you want me to try out something else, or if you're being bombarded by some Instagram ad that you want to get a review of before you try it, let me know. Don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you bitches later. Bye.